Plant this tree once. Harvest it 7 times. Never replant again. This tree was cut down 90 days ago. Look at it now, 13 feet tall. And here's the part that changes everything. You never planted a new seedling. This is the same root system, regenerating on its own. Again and again, up to 7 times. We are Bioeconomy Solutions, and today we're talking about coppicing, the single most underrated economic feature of the Paulownia tree. Most people think reforestation means plant a tree, wait decades, cut it once, start over. Paulownia breaks that model completely. Coppicing means when you harvest the tree, you don't kill it. You cut the trunk and the tree regrows directly from the stump because the root structure is already mature and established. We've filmed this ourselves. Harvest a site, come back 90 days later, and you've already got new growth 13 feet tall. That's not a new tree. That's the same root system pushing out fresh timber on its own with no replanting cost. Here's why this matters for your bottom line. On a standard timber rotation, farmers harvest Paulownia every 5 years. And based on what we know about this species, the tree can regrow and be harvested again roughly 7 times post-harvest from that same original planting. Think about what that eliminates. No retilling the land, no new seedling costs, no multi-year gap in production while a new crop establishes, no lost income between plantings. One planting, multiple decades of harvest. That's not how any other timber crop on the planet works. The reason this is possible comes down to the root system. By the time you make your first harvest, Paulownia's roots are already fully developed and drawing resources efficiently. So instead of starting from a seedling every cycle, each regrowth cycle starts from an already mature root base, which is also why the regrowth is so fast. 90 days to 13 feet isn't an exaggeration. We've documented it. This is also why Paulownia works so well for regenerative and sustainable land use. You're not clearing new ground every rotation. You're not disturbing soil that's already stabilized. The same acreage keeps producing biomass, timber, and carbon sequestration value across multiple harvest cycles, which is a big part of why we position Paulownia as a long-term land asset, not a one-time crop. If you're evaluating land for reforestation, biomass, or carbon credit projects, ask yourself, why replant every cycle when one planting can carry you through 7 harvests? Comment "Coppice" below, and we'll send you our grower's manual explaining exactly how to manage a coppicing rotation for maximum yield. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.